This video is sponsored by Wild Police Chase.
Stand by. 1037. Southbound 70. Little blue vehicle. I couldn't read the tag, but we're at 126 right now. Tag's gonna be Boy George Nora 51 H Henry. Coming up on 67. Took 6, 7, 8. I think he sees you. Okay, he's losing control. He's in the ditch. He's in the ditch. Show me your ass! He's on foot, he's on foot, he's on foot. Show me your hands! Show me your hands! Driver's Randall, he's going back over there. He's going back over to the off-ramp. Yeah, I'm gonna stay here. Go over there. Passenger. Get out. Get out. Exit through the driver's door. Exit through the driver's door. Put your hands up. Don't dig in your pocket.
That wasn't me, fool. That was my friend.
Who's your friend?
I don't.
Yeah, you do. Don't start that shit when you shut the door.
It's good. Can I call my dad?
No. Close the door.
I don't know what that was. That was my whole. I don't know why he did that.
Go up here.
And I don't know why.
Go up here.
I have no idea. That was bad. I thought we were going to that.
You're going to jump down towards shallow. You can't be forward.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
Okay, go. Go.
I got you. I did not.
You're right here.
Man. I did not know he would. Like, I did not know he would do that. That was just wild. Like, I was like, slow down, bro. Why don't you just pull over? And then we go over here, and then he just like slides out, and he just like.
Yeah.
He's like, bro.
He doesn't know how to drive.
He's like, bro, here, and he's like, here, take this, man.
All right, put your hands behind your back right now.
You think my car's okay?
I don't know. Don't give a damn about your car right now. You've been detained right now.
I didn't do anything wrong, man. I was truly honest.
What is your brother's name?
I think his name's like Juju or something like that. I don't remember. I just shouldn't have hung out with him, man. That was a bad idea, man. Yeah, do you think I could just grab my car and just head home?
No.
Because that was totally all him. I didn't even notice he was speeding until the cops pulled over, right?
Be still.
Okay. I'm like, bro, just pull over. And he wouldn't even pull over. And it's just like, bro, like, why wouldn't you just stop and just like let the cops, like,
Come on back here.
23, do we have a description of that?
why do you?
I didn't see him. He had already bailed out. And in the deep wooded area, I could just hear him running through the woods.
Ask the passenger, she'll give you some information on it.
He's saying the nickname Juju. That's all he's telling me right now. He's trying to act like he don't know me.
No, I do. He's my friend. I'm not.
Put your feet in there.
I'm not. Man, this is wrong, man. I need to get my phone. Can I get my phone, officer? Please.
Thank you for watching my video. Please like, subscribe, comment and share my video and press bell icon to get future updates.